Planning to visit your friends or family in Georgia? You can apply for a Georgia eVisa for visiting friends and relatives completely online. This visa is designed for travelers who want to spend time with loved ones while exploring Georgia's culture and traditions. To apply, you must have a valid passport with at least 6 months validity beyond your travel date. You'll also need basic documents such as your travel details, accommodation information, health insurance, and proof that you can support yourself during your stay. The application process is simple. Fill out the online form, upload your documents, and pay the visa fee. Please note, the visa fee is non-refundable. After submitting your application, you can track its status online. Once approved, your e-visa will be sent to your email. Print a copy of your e-visa and carry it with you when traveling to Georgia. With the Georgia e-visa, you can visit your friends or relatives without visiting an embassy or consulate.